For over 20 years, I have brought people together, making deals happen, help buyers and sellers solve their problems, make a move, and improve their lives. Join me to view another exciting project and dream of the possibilities. Welcome to Roxanne Govari's show.
Hello, my friends. I have a treat for you today. Join me because you're going to be amazed with this place that I have for sale, and you're going to be thinking, wow, Roxanne is so brave that she's even thinking about selling this place. But I'm going to show you what it takes to sell a property like this and walk you through the process of selling something like this. Come in and let's talk about it. Okay, so now we're inside the place. Let's walk through and you will see and you will say, wow, who would buy something like this? Well, I know that on HGTV you're watching a lot of these shows about renovating something like this. As you can see, this is the living room, and there's a lot of deferred maintenance to take care of. There's a lot of updating to do, but that is not why we're here. Why we're here to actually realize the potential of a property like this. I'm actually walking into the kitchen, so walk with me. And as you can see, there is a lot more work to be done in here, but the point of this is selling a place like this, because this is not a cup of tea for everybody, right? Not everybody's going to be brave enough to want to get into a project like this. But if you are brave enough, and if you are an agent, a realtor that is savvy enough to know how to sell something like this, then there is really nothing to worry about. You hear a lot about iBuyers, about sellers wanting to sell and not wanting to bother about all buyers coming through. Well, something like this would be a good candidate for an iBuyer. So the work is not for the seller. It's not going to cause a lot of headache for you. The headache is what we take on, and we will do all of that work. We are licensees. We are bound to have a fiduciary responsibility to take care of you. And we make sure not only that we do that, but we'll maximize the profit for you. So next time that you have a property like this, don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. Don't think that it's not worth anything. Give us a call and we will make sure you get all the profit that there is in a property like this. Thank you so much for joining me and view this property with me. If you have an ugly duckling like this, or if you have a property that you absolutely love, but you know that it has deferred maintenance and you're worried that people are not going to buy it, or that you're going to have a lot of trouble selling it, think again. Give me a call and let me help you sell the property and maximize your profits. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.